Climate change is defined as long-term averages and variations in the weather, measured over a period of several decades, minimum 30. No, when we talk about weather, we are talking about a smaller region and a smaller time frame. And when we talk about climate, we are talking about the global scale, and we are talking in a long term up to minimum 30 decades. An individual impacts the climate change in two ways: consumption and choices. Almost everything we consume, what we eat, what we wear, what we drive, everything emits greenhouse gases, and that's how we impact climate change. And second, choices. The companies we buy from, the government we support, everything makes a change. That's how we impact climate change. Climate change is a crisis and a threat to human species survival. When we talk about climate change, we mean that we are hurting nature, we are hurting environment, and all the living beings depends on nature to live. If we keep hurting the environment and nature, that means we are messing up with the possibility of surviving on Earth. Because if we keep emitting carbon, we won't have enough space or fresh air to breathe. If we keep hurting environment, we won't have the right atmospheric level to survive on Earth. That's why climate change is a crisis and a threat to human species survival on Earth. How an individual can help fight climate change? An individual can help fighting climate change in two ways: with making the right choices and with the right consumption. Whatever you're consuming, think about it. How much carbon and methane emission are you making by that? And switch to plant-based diet. Switch to sustainable clothing and minimal clothing. Mind your consumption. Switch to electric vehicles. Switch to sustainable alternatives for plastic. Switch to solar power. So there's a lot of things an individual can do, but I think the most important above them is making the right choices. Choose a right leader for your country. Choose a right company to buy from. And by doing this, you can make a huge change. And most important than above all of these, learn more and more about climate change. Because if you know what is climate change, you'll make the right choices. Thank you.